Alright, so without wasting time, I'll go straight into the key of what we're going to understand in the trigonometry, basically using the cosine rule and the sine rule. So the cosine rule, sine rule. So we're going to go over that. Now, looking at this here now, let's say we have, given that we have a triangle, given any triangle ABC, like any triangle ABC, whether it's an arc triangle or obtuse triangle, whichever one is given, and we have side A, we have here to be side A, we have to be B, and we have it to be C. The opposite side to A is going to be small a. The opposite side to angle C, this is angle C, the opposite side to A is going to be small c, and the opposite side to angle B, which is B, this angle here, is going to be, the opposite side to A is going to be small b. Name this angle theta, you can name this one alpha, you can name this one beta, whichever one you like, it's just to distinguish the angle from each other. So that's that. So let's say you want to look for this side C, if you don't know any side, so you can be asked to find any side. You can be asked to find this side, you can be asked to find this side, and you can be asked to find this side. So given that you have to find this side, so you must have been given the other two sides too. Get it now? So if you are asked to find this side, you must have also been given this side and this side. And if you are asked to find this side, you must have been given this side and this side. Understand? So if you want to look for any side, so we have this cosine rule here. Basically, what you really need to understand is this rule here. So this cos C is whatever angle that you have in C. Understand? So you have been given the angle too. You have been given the angle C of the side you are looking for. This is small c, which is this side that I'm looking for, and this is cos C. You're going to be looking for the cos of whatever angle, the opposite angle to that side. So if I'm looking for angle B, I'm just going to be following the same pattern, and that's going to be B square equals to A square plus C square minus, now just still this one we are dealing with, minus 2AC cos B. And if it is this one you are looking for, that's going to be A square B square plus C square minus 2AC minus 2BC cos the angle of the side you are looking for. Understand? The angle that is opposite to the side that you are looking for. So that's that. The one that I have here now is to find, and this one is to find any side. If you have to find any side here, but to find any side, that's what you use this one for. So it's easier for you. You can also use it to find the angle, but it's easier for you to just write this directly and put it in your head and use it to find any side that you're looking for. Now, provided you have to find a particular angle, then we can rearrange this equation that we have here to get this. I'm having this for cos C. This is for the angle here. So if I want to find the angle here also, it's going to be like this. Then I can also say this is also going to be cos A is going to be the sides of the angle you are looking for is only going to be at the back, rather. So I have that cos A equals to B square minus B square plus C square minus A square over 2BC. Understand? The other two sides will always be The other two sides that we have here, we always be what we have here. So remember, it is the side of the angle I'm looking for that's going to be subtracted here, and that's going to be over 2AC centimeter. I'm using this example directly from your textbook, and this side is small a, this side is small c. So in this case, you have to look for small c. This is the angle, which is 80 degree, and the side, which is small c, is x. You don't know what it is. That's what you have to find. So this cos c, this is the angle we are going to be using. So we have that c squared equals to a. What is our a? Our a is going to be the side that is facing this angle, the opposite side to this angle here, and that's 3. So we have 3 squared plus, what is our b? Is the side that is facing this angle b, and that's going to be 2 squared, this 2 squared, minus, what is my ahead? This is ab. So I'm going to be having here, let me just put this in brackets. You put it in brackets, I have 2 times 3 times 2 cos what? Cos 80. Then here I have 9 plus 4 minus minus 12 cos 80. Right? So here I'm just going to say 13 minus, what is 12 cos 80? And from there, so this side that I don't know is going to be what? Is 3.3. Alright, so let me find an angle now. Let's say we are given all the sides, but we are not given the angle. So how am I going to find the angle? Alright. I don't know the value of this, I don't know the value of this, I don't know the value of this angle here. But I know that the 3 angles sum up to 180, right? So, but I don't know the angles that we have there. So, I'll just go ahead. So, let's first calculate the angle here, which is cos A, remember, equals to B squared plus C squared minus A squared. So, I remove the A, which is the side of the angle we are looking for, minus 2BC. So, these BC are the other sides that we have. So you are just going to be squaring them. When you have this, then you find the cos inverse. Now, what I have here all through is cos A, cos A, cos A. Then we are going to have the cos inverse of A. So that's going to be A alone in this place. Now I have cos inverse here into brackets the answer that I have here. And that should give me 34. Okay, so since our answer for angle A here is 34.04, so I'm just going to go ahead and use the same procedure to find angle B. And what you're going to get there, if you do your calculation well, you're going to get something like this, 44.24 degree. We have that. Since you have 2 sides, anytime you have 2 angles already, you have 2 angles, we have angle A, we have angle B, we have angle A to be equals 34.04 degree. So our angle C, do we need to start calculating for angle C again? No. Why? Because we know that angle A plus B plus C gives us what? 180. So what you just need to do is to find the equation. So do the rearrangement, and you find that angle C is going to be equals to the addition of this. Do your maths, you subtract it from the addition, so and you get your angle C. So that's as simple as that. Sine restate that we have the side. If you have a side here, and we are going to be having the sine of the angle also. The ratio, you're going to find the ratio of the side and the angle. Then for the other side, and then for the last side. sine C. So sine rule state that we can use any of the two ratio together. Understand? You can use any of the two ratio together. If you like, you can use any of these three pairs to find any angle or any size you are looking for. Let me do an example for sine rule. Given this angle here to be 35 degree, given this angle here to be 35 degree, let's find angle B. So I'm going to find angle B. So here now I have angle A, and I have side A. So I can just use angle A and side A. I have side B, but I don't have angle B. So I can use this one here. So what I will just do is say A. What I have in A, I have 4. And what I have in A, I have 35. So I'm going to say sine 35 equals to B. I have B to be 5. Then sine B. So what am I going to do? Just cross multiply. So here I have that sine B. I have that 4 sine B is going to be equals to 5 times sine 35. So from here, what am I going to do? Just cross multiply. Just divide both sides by 4. So we have that sine B equals to 2.8. So from here, I can have that B sine inverse of what is here. Then I have 0.72. So I have 46. What is it? Just 46 degree. So that gave me the angle I'm looking for in this place. So since our B is 46 degree, then just sum this together, remove it from 180. That will give you the angle that we have in this place. The sine rule here is easier to find, but you cannot always use sine rule in the case whereby you are not given any angle, because for sine rule you always need angles. But in the case whereby you are not given any angle, you have to use the cosine rule. So do these exercises there, screenshot it and submit it to my DM on WhatsApp. Put all your questions together so that I can answer it together. I can answer it at once in a video. So that's that.